Hello, Lizzie here. So today I thought I'd do a quick roundup of my website because we've had a little play around and got things up to date. So I'd like to show you around my website. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So if you just bear with me while I get the buttons pressed. Okay. So this is my website. And as you know, this website has been in existence for at least 7 or 8 years now, perhaps longer. And this is the home screen. If you were to log in on a PC or a bigger device, this is the home screen that you see with our gorgeous cushion right in the center there. So if you go along the top, you've got the menu and what to click on if you need something in particular. A video maybe you're a creative friend, so that's your special page. When you log in here, that will then allow you to see all the orders that you've placed. It'll allow you access into creative friends if you are a creative friend. Lots of interesting things in here. You can change your credit card details, all that sort of thing. You've got a currency converter here if that's what you need. And then you've got the hello and welcome. Just giving you the basics here. This information has been on here, oh, well, apart from that, this little bit here, for the last 7 or 8 years. So don't forget to download your pattern. Mainly this is for just a quick reminder of that. And now, of course, we can't send any orders out to the EU or Northern Ireland. I think we're okay with digital, but I still need to get that confirmed. Then you get our latest 5 patterns up here. So you've got the new workshop for Javier there and the bag pattern. So you can just buy the pattern if you want, or you can participate in the 3-evening event of the Javier workshop. Then you've got Mini Popsy, Carol, and the floating glass quilt pattern, which is just gorgeous. And then you can go into all of our different boxes here. So if you want mini patterns in there, just click that. Shop pouches, just click on that. Bags, cushions, storage, all sorts. But if you go into all products, you then come down to all of the products that have been loaded in the last 7 or 8 years. And obviously those are your top 5 that you just saw, and so they're repeated. But then you can go down all the different patterns that we've got available. We've got over 400 and all sorts. There's quilts, there's table runners, there's cushions, there's bags. There's a little bracelet there, Victoria. That's a lovely make, actually. You've got another bag here, Hetty, which is made from very large hexagon bolts, which is super, super fun. You've got wine carriers there with Calypso. You've got purses. Oh my gosh, you've got everything. You've got patchwork galore. And don't forget, you can still buy a workshop. They're all only £5. And for the workshop, you get everything everybody had at the time. So you get fabric requirements, you get cutting instructions, and obviously you get the 3 Facebook Live workshops to watch as well. So actually for £5, it's an absolute bargain. So if you fancied making all clammed up, which is the quilt behind me, then you can. And it's only £5 for all that tuition, which is fantastic, really. You've got the USB there, so you can still buy my USB. I've got another one coming out this year. You've got lovely Mooby. He's such a cute little rabbit. He is lovely. And then all of these other patterns here. So another workshop there. Yeah, they're all available. So you're looking at storage, you're looking at cushions, you're looking at little pouches like Ella there. Lovely, lovely bags, beautiful bags. And lots and lots and lots of different types of bags and designs, all created by me, drawn out by hand and then digitally drawn out just for you. A lot of them have templates, some of them don't. If it's just rectangles or squares, more often than not, you don't get a pattern because it's just easy with rectangle and squares. But you've got wallets here, you've got pouches. Linden is a fantastic make, that's worth a look. You've got these beautiful bags. Jenna has been a really, really popular pattern over the last couple of years. You've got cushions and bunting, more quilts. So you've got an apron there as well, pencil cases, cover for your special clothes in your wardrobe. Absolutely beautiful things. Coasters. You've got a little case there, Bob, for your hair straighteners. Backpacks and matching pouches. Absolutely gorgeous. And so much more, so much more. And if you've forgotten what's on the website, what is available, then have a look. I mean, you're getting a little sneaky look here now, but perhaps I'm going too fast for you to see it all, but there are over 400. And of course, a lot of them are seasonal because when we produce the patterns, it might be summertime, so we're looking at beach stuff. It might be the winter where we're looking at Christmas or seasonal things. It might be Halloween, Guy Fawkes night, all that sort of thing, or Easter. These were around about Easter time. And I created them. And of course, our lovely Kath has input into these as well. So some of the patterns are by Kath, some by me. And then we have guest people in as well. Petal, for instance, was created by Nicola. We've got a pen pal, excuse me, created by Gemma Joy, which is wonderful. So lots and lots of different types of patterns. Wall hanging there with applique. We've got foundation paper pieced pieces as well. We've got toys, we've got gift tags, we've got pouches, we've got storage. You name it, we've got it. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful selection. That's been a popular one, phone home. Wonderful, wonderful selection of patterns on here. We've got hats as well. We've got Abby's bow band there, which our lovely Lily is showing off. Oh. Yeah, so lots and lots of things. I always put my machine on Frankie and slide it around my desk as I need it. You've got the money belt there. You've got your travel wallet there. So nothing you don't need on here. Patchwork and applique. Again, this one, Opal, we used chenille work on that. And then we've got the applique there in the hoops, the wonderful Serafina, seen hundreds of those made. Really super duper. So do have a scroll through. You'd be surprised at what you might find. Something that just ticks that box for that certain person in your life that needs a gift, maybe. But there we are. So that is our 400 patterns. Plus, don't forget, you can still join the workshops if you want to. I know it might feel a bit weird because it's the time has actually passed, but you can still join and get all the benefits of anybody that paid the full price whenever it was. Yeah. So thank you very much for joining me on this whistle-stop tour of my website. I'm sorry if I'm flashing too fast. I know it can be awful when people do that. Juicy Lucy, that's a good one. My dad carries his can of Guinness in that. Not that one. Well, actually, I think it is that one. I think that is that one. Yeah, so that's it. So that is our website. And I hope you've enjoyed looking around it. I've had the pleasure of showing you. So I'll see you soon. Happy 2025. Bye-bye, everybody.